Hello and welcome back to another video of K-Middle-East YouTube channel. My name is Sanjeev Kaushal, and the common question that my viewers commonly ask me about the travel history. So I would like to say that travel history is very important, especially for those people those are new here in the UAE, doing their job for the first year, first time, and they want to travel to the big countries like USA, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, UK, or even in the Europe. I do recommend keep first make your travel history, then only you can apply your visa, because with the travel history there are maximum chances you can get your visa easily. Now the question raised that where you need to travel. So personally I don't recommend Asian countries, because the value of these Asian countries are not that much high. For an example, we can say Singapore, Thailand, Malaysia, the Asian countries, the value of these countries is quite a bit, but commonly there are many other Asian countries like Bangladesh, Nepal, Sri Lanka. So I don't recommend the travel history for these kind of countries. And also African countries, better to avoid the African countries. Instead of these countries, if you want to make your travel history, and if you are in the Gulf country, you can opt to the Georgia, Azerbaijan and Armenia, because these offer the visa free to you without any bank statement and without NOC. You can apply anytime. Also you can add Kyrgyzstan, Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan, because in these countries also you can apply without any bank statement and without NOC. You can make your travel history, and if you have a 3-month bank statement and NOC will be provided by your country, then I do recommend the travel history for Turkey, Egypt, Jordan, Morocco. You can add in these countries, you can make the travel history, because the value of these countries is quite high. For the Schengen, UK, Australia, New Zealand, Canada visa, you can easily apply, and the chances that after the travel history of these particular countries that you will get your visa easily. And don't forget that if you are in UAE, if you have a UAE residency permit and your nationality is Pakistan, then don't apply for the Armenia, because Armenia don't give the entry to the Pakistan citizen. And if you are Indian, then you can directly apply to the Armenia also. It's on arrival visa, you don't need to apply basically. So you will get sticker visa on arrival at Armenia. If you are Pakistan national, then you can go to the Georgia or Azerbaijan instead of Armenia. So visa free travel to these countries packages are also very cheap. You will get in 1500 to maximum 2000 dirham. You will get all the tickets, hotel and insurance, everything will be done. Direct flight is there from Sharjah itself, from Dubai, from Abu Dhabi, so you can get the direct flight as well. Weather is also very nice in these countries, so you can enjoy your vacation also with the cheap budget and the valuable travel history. You can also book your packages with us. If you want the package, we can arrange your whole travel package including your ticket, hotel, insurance, and we are just closed on Sunday. You can visit from Monday to Saturday to us to book your package. And if you are looking for the assistant for make your visa application for Schengen, USA, UK, Canada, Australia, even all the European countries, South American countries, Japan, South Korea, so we are also dealing for this. So for the assessment of your profile, you can visit to our office from Monday to Saturday. So if you found this video useful, hit the like button, share and subscribe to my channel for more such kind of information. Thank you to watch this video.